Good evening from here in London. So we're just in the closing bell on Wall Street. We've seen equities finish in positive territory for the day. All three major indices up close to 3%. The Nasdaq outperforming. That settled up over 3% for the day. So in terms of this increased risk appetite out of the US, it's been due to a few stories of note. We did see German Chancellor Merkel say that she would look to enhance the EFSF. We also seen EU officials dismiss the IMF chief Lagarde's suggestion that the European banks would require further recapitalisation. In terms of the US, we had some pretty decent US economic data in terms of personal spending. This coming out at 0.8%, so it's increased there, showing that there is still some demand out of the US consumers. We also saw a bit of a bid in WTI crude futures on this as well, so there's talk of increased demand, this leading energy prices higher. So in terms of the other data of note out of the US, we saw some good strength out of Bank of America. This is after they announced that they would be selling around about $8 billion worth of shares in their Chinese construction bank firm. So this is pretty good news for Bank of America. Their shares finished up over 8% at that closing bell. So looking forward to tomorrow, we do have a couple of events that are worth taking note. We have some Italian auctions in the morning that are pretty key and a lot of people will be following. And then in the afternoon we have the US consumer confidence, and we also have tomorrow's FOMC minutes to look forward to as well. So that's it for us for the day. We hope you have a great evening. We'll see you again tomorrow.